Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix disabled accounts cannot be contacted in Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So if you encounter the message this account cannot be contacted because it's disabled on Instagram, it means that the account you're trying to interact with has been temporarily disabled or permanently disabled by the user or by Instagram itself. So the first thing that you should do, guys, is understand the reasons for a disabled account. An Instagram account may be disabled for several reasons. One of them is user action. The owner temporarily disabled their account. When a user disables their account, it is hidden from the public view, and no one can contact, message, or view their profile until they reactivate it. Instagram action. Instagram may disable an account for violating its community guidelines or terms of service, which could be due to posting inappropriate content, engaging in spammy or abusive behavior, and using third party apps to artificially grow followers like or engagement. Fixing your own disabled account. If it's your own account that has been disabled and you're unable to contact others, you can follow these steps to restore your account. First of all, reactivate a temporary disabled account. If you have temporarily disabled your account, you can reactivate it by simply logging in. Open Instagram and enter your username and password, tap login, and once logged in, your account will be automatically reactivated. Appeal to Instagram for a disabled account. If Instagram disabled your account and you believe it was a mistake, you can appeal the decision. Here is how you can do it. First of all, log into Instagram. When you attempt to log in, you'll see a message saying your account has been disabled. Then tap Learn More or Request Review. Follow the instructions to submit an appeal. If required, fill out a form explaining why you believe your account was wrongly disabled. Instagram may ask for further information or documentation to verify your identity. After submitting your appeal, Instagram will review your case and notify you via email about the outcome. This process may take several days. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.